What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is May the 11th of May, and I have me a box in the mail, and I want y'all to see what it is. And I just ordered it really, and we're gonna see if it's okay, and we'll see how it goes. As you see, it's a pretty big box, and it's saying do not cut with a sharp knife. So I got mine. Put it on here. See how it goes. Let's see what it is. Let's see what's in the box. See what's in. See what this thing popping today. It said, let's get your foot in shape. Your foot in shape. I don't know what foot is, but this is an XXL W long zipper Lennox denim cobalt. Oh, I probably ain't gonna be able to, open this. I'm gonna be doing anything heavy. Let's see if I can get it this way. I would do it different, but I had surgery, so I gotta be cautious on how to do this stuff. Okay. This thing got some weight to it. So what this is, all right, let's see. I don't know how they packed all this stuff in here. How far down did it go? Oh, I go all the way. Okay. Let's see what this. I'll show you what it is. Let me find my phone. What this is this right here. It's the Big Joe 4th SXL foam filled bean bag chair with removable cobalt, durable wool polyester, and it's 6 feet. So this is what I got. That's what this is right here. So I wanted something that's be more easier on my body, so I could just lay on, except for lay on something like on the edge of the bed or something. So I got this right here. And I will put the description of this I'll put this information in the description where I got it from. It's on Amazon, as you can see. And they really got it packed tight. I just ordered it. And then they already sent it to my house. I don't know how I'm gonna get this stuff out of here because they got this stuff piped in tight. We got it packed in tight. There you go. Look at this. This thing it's just getting bigger as I open it up. You see? It's just drawing on. Wow, this thing huge, right? And then I could put this on it as well. So I will do that. Let's see if we get this plastic on. That's a pretty big. Dang. This joker huge. This joker is huge, y'all. Ooh, this ain't the way. I don't think it's going. But the thing right here, this right here, I'll be able to keep it in contained with this right here. So this is just. Let's see. Wow, this joke is crazy. So once I get everything set up, I'm gonna be on. But as you can see, I kind of like it. That way I could just lay on it. It don't hurt my back. So I just got this in the mail today. So, but I do gotta make it where, take it upstairs where I'm gonna be at. And that's where I'm gonna do most of the chill. That's where I do most of my chilling. But as you can see, this thing take up the whole floor. Look at that. That's gonna take up the whole floor. So once I get it all compact up, it's gonna sit up higher, and I have more area to sit up in there with. So I will give y'all a description of this later in the comments. But whatever y'all do stuff at your own pace, own modification. I definitely like this. It's coming in this cover right here, and it's refillable. So, but with that being said, do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Stress, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And remember, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh wee. Yeah.